my first unboxing video ever.
We can't call you a special guest because you live here.
Almost.
This is Carl Robot. Carl, tell us who you are. What do you do?
I'm co-founder ARG, and I unbox hardware now.
So you're doing this for a long time. Yeah, well, here, take the box. You got a knife?
Sweet. Alright.
Ooh, it's cold.
It's sitting in the back of a UPS truck.
Look at this.
LSA 44. This is the bread and butter. 2 horsepower.
Okay, here. Let's take it up and show it.
And
B&R LSA 44 DA030. Here's the face. And here is the plug. So what's cool about this motor, Carl?
Single cable stuff. So they ditched all the analog signals. Everything's digital.
So nice. Okay, well I happen to have on hand from a previous unboxing this cable. So if we plug this in like this, then watch this. Just quarter turn.
Good sound. Good sound. These things are designed in Italy, made in Austria.
Made in
It's
Austria.
like a really good combo.
That is a great combo, actually.
Like they need to make Italian cars that way. Just like let the Italians design them and build them over.
Italians are going to be watching this. They're not going to be happy with what he just said. I don't agree with what he just said at all. Italy is great manufacturing power.
Yeah.
Cool. Tune in next time. Thanks for joining us. See you later, Carl.
See ya.
Bye.